Dell launches new Inspiron laptops, 2-in-1s with 11th Gen Intel CPUs in India. Dell has today launched a bunch of new, redesigned Inspiron laptops in India to cater to the current do-from-anywhere digital lifestyle of consumers. These include the Inspiron 14 2-in-1, the Inspiron 13 notebook, and a couple of other laptops. So, before going to the price and availability, let's take a look at the key specs and features of the new Inspiron series. Dell Inspiron series launched in India. Inspiron 14 2-in-1. Starting with the Inspiron 14 2-in-1, it is a hybrid device that comes with a detachable screen to easily turn the laptop into a tablet or vice versa. It has a touch-supported 14-inch Full HD display with an almost bezel-less design. It can support 4 kinds of modes, namely, tablet mode, tent mode, stand mode, and of course laptop mode. Under the hood, the device can pack the latest 11th Gen Intel Core processors or AMD Ryzen mobile CPUs with Radeon graphics. It can pack up to AMD Ryzen 7 5700U CPU, or the 11th Gen Intel Core i7 to 1165G7 CPU, paired with up to 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and 512 GB of onboard storage. Apart from these, the hybrid device also comes with 9% enlarged keys compared to its predecessors, and also supports compatible active pens. Inspiron 13. Coming to the next one, the Inspiron 13 is essentially a thin and light laptop that offers a best-in-class screen experience, along with portability. It is made out of light aluminum and weighs around 1.25 kgs. The device boasts a 13.3-inch QHD Plus display and the Dell ComfortView Plus, which is an integrated TUV low-light hardware solution that allows users to spend long hours in front of their laptops without straining their eyes. Turning to the internals, the Inspiron 13 can pack up to the 11th Gen Intel Core i7 to 11370H CPU coupled with up to 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage. As for the I/O, the device packs 1x HDMI, 1x USB-A, 2x Thunderbolt 4.0, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Plus, the device comes with an ergonomic hinge designed to help maintain a consistent thermal performance. This allows users to perform tasks on the laptop for long hours without making it a portable frying pan. Inspiron 14 and 15. The Inspiron 14 and 15 are similar laptops with varying screen sizes. So, as you can tell, the Inspiron 14 packs a 14-inch display, while the Inspiron 15 comes with a 15-inch panel. Other than this, all the other specs of the devices are similar to each other. The laptops include Intel's H-series processor along with the NVIDIA MX450 GPU. Or, you can configure it to pack the latest AMD Ryzen mobile processors with Radeon graphics. As per the company, the Inspiron 14 and 15 strikes a perfect balance of style, performance, and productivity to cater to all kinds of users in the market. The Inspiron 14 and 15 can pack up to the 11th Gen Intel Core i7 to 11370H processor along with Intel's Iris Z GPU, or the NVIDIA GeForce MX450 GPU. On the other hand, the Inspiron 14 AMD model packs the AMD Ryzen 5 5500U CPU with Radeon graphics. The Inspiron 15 AMD model, however, can pack up to AMD Ryzen 7 5700U CPU. The Intel models can pack up to 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and up to 512 GB of SSD storage. Price and availability. Now, coming to the price, it ranges from Rs 45,000 to Rs 69,000. The Inspiron 14 2-in-1 device starts at Rs 57,990 for the Intel SCUS and Rs 65,990 for the AMD SCUS. It will be available to buy from June 17. The Dell Inspiron 13 will be available for a starting price of Rs 68,990 and go on sale starting from July 7 in India. On the other hand, the Inspiron 14 starts at Rs 44,990, and the Inspiron 15 starts at Rs 48,990 for the Intel SCUS and Rs 57,990 for the AMD SCUS. The Inspiron 14 and 15 Intel models will be available to buy from June 18, while the Inspiron 15 AMD models will come into the market on June 22. All of the new Inspiron models will be available to buy from Dell's official online store and major offline retail stores across the country. They will also be available on Amazon and select Dell exclusive outlets in India.